how to send money with Zelle using Regions Bank online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to send money instantly, well here is how to use Zelle with Regions Bank online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of Regions Bank. Now here, once you are on this website, simply log in using your credentials and once logged in on the main dashboard, you can simply click transfers and then select send with Zelle. And after that, you simply have to choose the account you want to send money from and enter the recipient email or US mobile number. And after that, you simply have to type in the amount you want to send and add a note if needed. And with that, at last you have to review all the details carefully and then click send to complete the payment instantly. And once you do that, you'll get a confirmation on screen and the recipient will be notified by email or text. And that's it. That's how you can send money with Zelle using Regions Bank online banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.